Zoho Books tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Zoho Books, the cloud-based accounting software for small businesses. Zoho Books is designed to make accounting easy and hassle-free so you can focus on growing your business. In this video, we will show you the basics of Zoho Books, such as how to set up your account, navigate the dashboard, create a new item, and connect your banks and credit cards with Zoho Books. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Zoho Books, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, locate the Start My Free 14-Day Trial button on the home page and click on it. This action will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you will be presented with several options to sign up for a new account. These options include signing up with your email, Google account, Yahoo account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, Twitter account, or Microsoft account. Choose the option that best suits your preferences and follow the registration process accordingly. After successfully signing up, the next step is to provide information about your business. In the provided fields, enter your organization's name in the Organization Name field and specify your business location in the Business Location field. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click on the Let's Get Started button to proceed. Moving forward, you'll need to set up your organization profile. If you haven't already entered your organization's name during the sign-up process, make sure to do so now. Additionally, you will be prompted to choose your industry, state, province, currency, language, and time zone preferences. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Get Started button to finalize your organization's profile. With the setup process completed, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can begin managing your finances, invoicing, expenses, and other bookkeeping tasks using Zoho Books' intuitive interface and features. The Zoho Books dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your business's financial activities. Upon accessing the dashboard, you'll notice the left menu, which is the main navigation tool for the platform. This left menu contains important tabs that allow you to access various functionalities and sections of the Zoho Books website. The Home tab provides a comprehensive overview of crucial financial data. Here, you can keep track of your total receivables and total payables invoices. Additionally, you'll find valuable insights into your cash flow, which represents the amount of money flowing in and out of your business. The Home section offers summaries of your income and expenses, highlights your top expenses, showcases ongoing projects, and provides an overview of your linked banks and credit cards. Furthermore, you can keep an eye on specific accounts through the Account Watch List feature. In Zoho Books, the Items section serves as a repository for managing goods and services that come with a price tag. Here you can easily create new items by clicking the Plus New button and providing relevant details such as names, descriptions, rates, and usage units for each item. Under the Banking tab, you gain access to powerful features for seamless financial management. This section allows you to connect your bank account and credit card accounts to Zoho Books, enabling automatic fetching of all your transactions. You can then categorize and match these transactions to the corresponding entries in Zoho Books, ensuring accurate and up-to-date financial records. The Sales section offers comprehensive tools for managing customer-related activities. Here, you can efficiently handle customer information, create and manage quotes and invoices, process sales receipts, track payments received, set up recurring invoices for regular billing, and manage credit notes as needed. In the Purchases tab, you can effectively manage vendor-related tasks and expenses. This section allows you to handle vendor information, track expenses, set up recurring expense entries, manage bills and payments made to vendors, and handle vendor credits when applicable. For businesses involved in project-based work, the Time Tracking section is essential. Here you can easily view and manage ongoing projects and timesheets, ensuring accurate time tracking and efficient project management. Under the Accountant tab, you gain access to crucial features for advanced financial control. This includes the ability to view and manage manual journals, make bulk updates for repetitive tasks, handle currency adjustments for multi-currency transactions, maintain your chart of accounts for organized financial tracking, set and monitor budgets, and apply transaction locking for data security. To gain valuable insights into your business's financial performance, the Reports tab is vital. Here you can access general reports, including business overviews, sales reports, receivables, payments received, recurring invoices, and payables. Additionally, this section allows you to view custom reports that you create, tailored to suit your specific business needs. The Documents tab provides a central location for managing your important files and records. Within the Files section, you can take advantage of the auto-scan feature to automatically capture data from receipts, streamlining document management. In the Bank Statement section, you can conveniently auto-upload your bank statements from emails for easy tracking. Furthermore, the Documents tab offers a Folders option, allowing you to organize your files effectively and access them in the Folders section. If you haven't created any folders yet, you can easily do so by clicking on the plus icon or selecting the Create Folder option. Finally, the Configure Features List section provides you with the flexibility to tailor Zoho Books to suit your business requirements. Here you can enable or disable various modules such as quotes, retainer invoices, timesheets, price lists, and more, ensuring that Zoho Book aligns perfectly with your specific needs and preferences. Now let's see how to create a new item in Zoho Books. To create a new item in Zoho Books, you first need to understand that items represent the products you sell or the services you provide within your business. To get started, navigate to the left menu and click on the Items tab. This will take you to the Items page where you will find a list of all the goods and services you have previously added as items. If you haven't created any items yet, the page will appear empty. To proceed with creating a new item, click on the Plus New button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will direct you to another page where you can enter the details for the new item you want to add. The first step is to choose the type of item you want to create, which can be either goods or service. Once you have made your selection, enter the name of the item in the field provided next to Name. Next, specify the unit of measurement for the item. This unit will represent how the item is measured, such as kg, dozen, box, cm, dz, ft, g, and so on. Moving on to sales information, enter the selling price for the item and choose the appropriate account, such as sales, discount, general income, etc. You can also provide additional details in the description field. Additionally, select the applicable sales tax for the item. After completing the sales information, provide the necessary purchase details, enter the cost price of the item, and select the appropriate account, such as cost of goods sold, repair and maintenance, etc. As with the sales information, you can add further details in the description field. Don't forget to choose the tax and specify a preferred vendor for this item. Once you have filled in all the required information, click on Save button to save the new item. You will then be redirected to the page for that specific item where you can review its details, track its transactions, and access its history. By following these steps, you can easily create new items in Zoho Books, enabling smooth management and organization of your products and services within the platform. Next, let's see how to connect your bank or credit card in Zoho Books. To connect your bank or credit card in Zoho Books, click on the Banking tab in the left menu. Clicking on this will take you to the Payment Information page. Once on this page, look for the Connect Bank Credit Card button and click on it to proceed with the connection process. Upon clicking the button, you will be directed to another page where you can see a list of different banks to choose from. For example, let's say you wish to connect your PayPal account. Click on the PayPal option. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to select either bank account or credit card. In this case, choose Bank Account to continue. Next, click on the Yes Configure Bank Account button to be redirected. Following these steps, you can easily connect your bank or credit card, such as PayPal, to Zoho Books, allowing for streamlined financial tracking and transaction management within the platform. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Zoho Books. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.